Good morning, guys. Welcome to First Impressions in Gentry, General Trias, Cavite, located at Biklatan, General Trias, Cavite. Yan po. Malapit, along highway lang po tayo. CM de los Reyes. Malapit po tayo sa mga school dito like yung Governor's Hill Science School and Lyceum University. Also, we have shopping center like yung mga SNR natin, Walter Mart, Pure Gold, and malapit po tayo mga sa SM Das, mga Robinson, or kaya SM 13. This unit is Kalista End Unit. Yan po. 40 square meter po yung ating floor area. And the lot area po is 93 square meter. This one is end unit. The pricing is ranging from 3.9 million. The reservation fee is 20,000 and the down payment is payable 16 months to pay. Then the balance is through bank or Pag-ibig financing. This one is complete type. Included na po yung ating fence tsaka gate. Our living room and the kitchen area. Service area. Common toilet bath at the ground floor. Sliding windows na po. Ayan. One bedroom at the second floor. Then the second bedroom at the second floor. Also, ayan po, meron siyang tatlong bintana sa taas. Yung dalawa po is jealousy. Then yung isa is sliding window. Vinyl tiles po yung ating flooring. Yan po. And ang maganda talaga sa end unit is pwede mo i-expand for expansion ng house. No? Pwede siyang magdagdag ka ng bedroom or gawing dalawang we have car garage here. Pwede gawing dalawang yan. This one is one of the middle class subdivision in General Trias. Yan po ang ating office. Then we have the outdoor playground. Also, we have swimming pool, one of our amenities. And we have the open air cinema outside. Yan po. You have any inquiries regarding sa ating project here in First Impression? You can call me at 0917-305-5442. Your real estate agent here in the Philippines.